Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Bobrick number 700-325. This is a Triac. A Triac is an AC control device. It allows current to pass in both directions. And this is a replacement for several models of models of their hand dryers. This is in particular Aircraft, AirGuard, AirPro, and Quiet Dry Dryer Guide. The fact that it has B700 in the part number certainly tells us that we're looking likely at a B700, and this client is indeed working on a B700, looking at the other parts that they bought. So this video is really just to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of this item. There are installation instructions that are included. They come with the paperwork, and it's linked to down below as well. Basically, all this says is remove the old one, screw in the new one, then attach the wires, and we'll go over that when we switch to the screen view and take a look at those installation instructions. A couple of basic dimensional properties. Overall width, about 1.5 inches. Center to center of the mounting points, I'd say we'd be about 1 1/8 maybe, something in that range. It's going to have this gasket. It's going to have 2 screws and 2 shake-proof washers, they call them. There'll be 2 of each of these. So let's switch to the screen view and take a look at those installation instructions. So this is the item that we're looking at here. Not a lot to see except the link to the installation instructions, which are here. This procedure applies to only surface-mounted or recessed dryers with Triac mounted on the base plate. For touch button models with Triac mounted on the timer bracket, the complete timer assembly needs to be replaced. We actually have an image as well. Let me show that to you. By the time you're seeing this video, we will have this listed, or this added to the extended description as well. But there's our Triac shown there. Okay, so remove the existing. Obviously, disconnect the power first. Remove cover. Remove the white, yellow, or pink, and black push-on connectors from the existing Triac. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the Triac. To install the new one, on factory-installed Triac, a white heat sink compound is interposed between the Triac flange and the dryer base plate to ensure rapid conductivity of heat away from the Triac. For service purposes, this compound is replaced by that thin gasket, very thin, small little material that you see in the images below. Of heat conducting material, this must be sandwiched between the flange and the base plate during assembly. So it's right here. Position the new Triac and pad on base plate with the terminals positioned as shown in illustration below. Insert and tighten the 2 self-threading screws and shake-proof washers. Then you're going to attach the wires. You'll notice that the flat one is on the bottom. So basically, in clockwise, install your white wire, install your black wire, then install the yellow or pink wire. Replace the dryer cover. Switch on the incoming power and test operation. Allow 10 seconds for controller to stabilize before placing hands in front of lens automatic unit. So that's simply what it is. Let's finish up this video on camera. Okay, in conclusion, it's awfully handy that they make this part available so that you can continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in, washroom equipment material. It's certainly not inexpensive, especially hand dryers. Realistically, in this day and age, they get used more and more and more. You go into restrooms where there are no paper supplies, and electric hand dryer is how that's going to work out. Now, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bobrick items that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The name Bobrick is quite synonymous with commercial restroom equipment, most obviously hand dryers and things of that nature, but of course the garden variety material, the grab bars, the soap dispensers, the mirrors, the toilet tissue dispensers, paper towel dispensers, of course, things of that nature. They also get into partitions, and while we don't get into partitions in terms of new installations, we are able to help you with replacement material. Hinges especially is what you'll find that people need assistance with when it comes to that material. If you have any questions on the Bobrick, this is their part number, B700-325 Triac, or any other Bobrick product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.